Life's not a fucking game. You got people depending on you. Family, loved ones, future family. People are fucking depending on you. Good morning, everybody. Just had kickboxing. Came back. It was a tough session. Focused a lot on push-ups, mountain climbers, and then combinations on the bag. It was fun. It was tiring. Whew. Anyways, cold shower, 26. And then we got to take our car to the shop at 8:30. And then we got to go to office. So, see you guys later for cold shower thoughts after I finish. Cold shower, 26, done. 26 days in a row. Let's go. All right, what are my thoughts for today? This shit ain't a game. This shit's not a fucking game. Life isn't a game. I was talking to my coach after the training session, and he has a fight coming up. And they're using this big ass stick and doing a full body freaking contact match with just some headgear. And he was telling me how this stick can break bone. And I was just like, holy fuck, you're gonna fight some dude with this, with you and him having a stick and just going at it? Just fucking insane to me. It's not a game. I mean, that's his career. It's not a game. Fighting is not a game. I mean, that's your life on the line. But that analogy expands to life. Life's not a fucking game. You got people depending on you. Family, loved ones, future family. People are fucking depending on you. Get serious. Look at where you're at in life. Look at where you're at and understand if you're doing the right thing. Are you on the right path? Are you going to achieve what God has made you capable of achieving? Yeah, I was going through my mind. Anyways, I gotta get ready, take my car to the mechanic, and then head to the office. So I'll catch up with you guys a little bit later. Peace. All right, everybody, back at the shop. I was working late. Finished work at 6. Fuck. The other thing is, I went and picked up my car from the mechanic, but they quoted me ridiculously high. So ended up not really doing anything. But anyway, here, check these out. Look at that. They look fucking beautiful. Look at that. So these are post-polishing. So I'll just give you an idea. This is just machined, right? And this is polished. You see the, it's just slight, but you can see the marks here. Polished one you can't. It looks flawless. So tomorrow we're gonna finish up the assembly of these first batches. I got one inquiry. I'm gonna quote for some machine parts, and then I'm gonna figure out the next steps to do for the business. So I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. It's been a super busy day. Oh my God. So I'm planning on getting a new car, selling, because the Mercedes is just causing way too many problems. So I looked at one car, and it's also gonna save me like $7 grand over the course of the year after calculating insurance, because getting an older one, the main reason I want to get a new car is because I'm just sick of the maintenance of Mercedes and having to go to a mechanic to fix things. I just want a simple car that I could fix on my own, that I could just maintain, because I'm an engineer. I'm a capable engineer. I could fix things on my own. So I'm just getting a really, a beater car, Corolla, clean interior, relatively old, 150k miles or something, and then Just gonna get something like that, drive it around, and then sell the Mercedes. And once I do that, yeah, I'll save like 7K over the year. It'll be a lot better. Probably more when it comes to fuel, because that car is much more fuel efficient. And also the maintenance cost. For example, I have a coolant leak in my car right now, and I just got quoted $1,600 to fix that because there's a valve that needs to be replaced. And I'm just like, what the fuck? So that, and then I also have a headlight that's not working. So all these things, it's just getting irritating. And that's only at 100,000 miles. And I had other issues too, so. Car's in relatively good shape. If I fix those two things, sell it, get this new, or buy this new car, drive it, fix those other things, sell it. Because, I mean, if the coolant is leaking, I don't really want to drive it too much. And I don't want to pay $1,600, so I might do it, try to do it myself. Then I'll get this car, fix the coolant, and then sell the car probably. Fix the coolant, fix the headlight, sell the car. I'll just do it all myself. Buy some tools, do it myself. Anyways, I'll just call it a day. I just keep losing track of time making these videos. But I did get one part to quote, so that's cool. I'll quote it. Probably be around. It's a little bit of a complex part. So, I don't know. And I gotta keep emailing. I can't keep getting distracted with all this personal shit. These personal shit. Distracting me. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Day 26 done. See you guys tomorrow.